Here is our fast meal made for one person with shrimp, pho noodles, zucchini, mushrooms. Oh, this is looking gorgeous. Look at this. A lot of people have told me that they're intimidated by cooking. They don't cook at home because they're too tired, they're too confused, or they don't simply know what to cook. Today we're going to have a 7-ingredient meal for one. This is going to come together in about 5 minutes. Let me show you our ingredients. Ingredients are very simple. We're going to have a gray Mexican squash. Some people call it zucchini. Going to have 5 shrimp, 1 sweet red Italian pepper, half a mushroom, 1 clove of garlic, a little cilantro for garnish, pho noodles, pepper, chicken base with tomato, and soy sauce. That's it. That's the entire ingredient list. Let's get to cooking. First, we're going to prep our ingredients. This is for one person, so we're going to use only a portion of the zucchini here. Going to use about half. Cut it into strips. Cut it again. Ready to go. Our sweet Italian red pepper. Cut that up into julienne strips. Here's our mushroom. Cut this up. Everything here is going to go together. Take our garlic clove, smash the garlic, peel the peel off. Comes off very easy. Slice the end off and julienne that up. Cilantro's for garnish. All right, let's get going. All right, we have everything cut up. Let's turn our fire on and get this going. Like I said, once again, this is very simple. This is cooking for one person. Very quick, very easy. The entire purpose of this channel is about real food, cooked by real people, realistically. So we're not going to do any fancy. We're going to just get it together. All right, pan's heating up. Put a little oil in there. Let's add all our ingredients except our seafood and our pho and our cilantro. Let this come to a boil. Let this come to a saute. Doesn't take long. You just want to get a little browning, a little flavor on it. Let it cook a little bit. Very easy. We're going to throw a little pepper in there. We'll save the soy sauce, the shrimp, chicken powder for just a few seconds later. Like I said, this comes together very simply, very quick. You come home from work, come home from school, don't think about time, no reason to go out and buy an expensive meal called Grubhub, called DoorDash. You can cook this right here. You can cook it very fast. The secret is having a stacked pantry and a stocked freezer. Pull things out ahead of time, get ready to go. Okay, we have a stir on there. Yep. All right, we have a browning on pouring in our water. Putting in a little bit of our Knorr chicken tomato base. Love this stuff. This is great. About a tablespoon, about half a tablespoon in there. Mix it up. This will all come together very fast. Like I said before, there's no reason to go out, order a pizza, call Grubhub, call DoorDash, and then feel guilty later on that you spent too much money that you didn't really have. So, watch this, let's try it, and anything in there can be substituted. As always, we're going for a balanced meal. We have our protein, which are shrimp. We have our starch, which are pho noodles. We have our vegetable, zucchini, garlic, and Italian red peppers. And then we have our flavoring. And the chicken base, soy sauce, and pepper. We're not adding any salt because there's plenty of salt in the chicken base. All right, pot has come to a boil. Let's finish this up. Rolling boil, color looks good. This smells delicious. Let's throw in our pho. This just cooks for just a second. Let's put in some soy sauce. That's it. We won't put our shrimp in until the pho noodles are done because the shrimp cook very fast and they'll become rubbery. I wish you could smell this. The smell here is amazing. The garlic, the zucchini, the sweet Italian peppers. This is really good. Let's take our cilantro and leave it. Okay, this is about to come to a boil. Let's throw our shrimp in. Stir this around. Look at that. That's amazing looking. This entire meal cost about $1.50. If you can imagine that. Plenty enough for one person, plenty of food. Plenty of flavor. The noodles are done. Let's check our noodles. Make sure. Pull one out. You want to test it for flavor and for starch. Not quite done yet. So let's cook a little more. The shrimp are getting translucent, are getting pink. This is going to be really good. Zucchini are done. All right, for the final, we'll throw in the cilantro. Just as the color, as additional flavoring. And that, my friends, is it. Turn the fire off. Now ready to serve. Here's our finished product. Now remember, you can switch anything in here out. We're teaching technique, we're not teaching recipes. The shrimp can be interchanged with chicken, pork, fish. Noodles can be interchanged with any kind of starch, potatoes, other kinds of pasta, rice, vegetables, litany of hundreds of those. But anyway, let's try this. Let's try the broth first. I added some fried lo mein noodles and cilantro on top for garnish. Let's try this broth. If I can get some. Very flavorful. Very flavorful. Very good. Gonna try the noodles. I don't spill them all over myself. Try zucchini. If I can grab it. Zucchini. Nice. So we can find a shrimp. Oh, there's a nice shrimp. Look at this. Tender, juicy. Remember, seafood, put it at the end of the entree, not the beginning, because it will get rubbery and get hard. Not good. Very good. Anyway, coming to the end of the video, if you know of anybody who's terrified to cook, who can't cook because they don't know how, they don't have enough time, show them this video, share it with them. This thing came together in less than 5 minutes and cost about $1.50 to make. You can do this too. And I'll see you next time on Real Food, Spend Less. Thanks for watching. Bye.